Hi there, I'm Sherry Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, and I'm here to show you cheating belly dance hands. So let's get started. You can use these for dance or hula hooping as I just demonstrated. So here's what we do. This is a beautiful, what I call an autopilot move, and that means that you don't have to use many brain cells while you're doing the other things that you're trying to learn or do or master. So what we're doing is we're taking the hands, we're taking the thumbs, and the middle fingers. I call this using the middle fingers for good. So we're going to, as if we're meditating, put the thumb towards the tip of the forefinger, the middle finger, and like so, palms up. Now we're going to slide the thumb down the middle finger, and then, so it looks like so, and the fingers are nice and straight and long on this, and then we're going to flip the hands over, and we have what I call cheating belly dance hands. Now again, you can use this as an autopilot move, and this really beats what we call in hooping T-Rexing, which is this kind of motion, which usually comes with the hunched up shoulders and this in the face and all that kind of stuff. So think about elongating the face, elongating the lines, elongating the fingers, nice and long, and having this to dance with. So keep that, the middle finger and the thumb glued together. That's the secret sauce of this particular move. Okay, so with hooping, what that looks like: glued together, slide down, flip over, work it like you want to work it. Okay, so you can use this for dance, you can use this for hula hooping, whatever you like. You can impress your friends with magic tricks. You could be a magician trying this. Anything you'd like to do with these cheating belly dance hands. They're magical. Alrighty, so I hope you've enjoyed this. Again, this isn't a highly technical belly dance hands. It is the cheating version. So it is a very quick, down and dirty way to get some beautiful looking hands and not have to think about it too terribly much. If you do this in a belly dance class, the teacher is probably not going to be all that happy with you. But this for hooping is going to help out your hooping and possibly your other dance skills. And then you can move on from that once you start practicing elongating those fingers and really getting that look down. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this, hit the thumbs up, and also please subscribe to this channel. I also have some other great tutorials. If you wanted to learn how to waist hoop, I have a fabulous learn how to waist hoop in under 10 minutes tutorial that you can learn. So all kinds of stuff, and I would be happy to work with you. Go to my website, www.hipthehoopla.com, HIPTHEHOOPLA.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Rock on. Peace out. See you on the next one.